still with you. I'm going to ask 2 questions and then present a document. The system you're using right now, is it manual or are you under IPPPD?
For payment of salaries,
Do you feed any amounts of money into the IPPD system for you to pay before, or do you pay on separate accounts? You see, the revenue you collect under own source revenue and the revenue you collect under the Facility Improvement Fund, the suggestion you're trying to apply is that you're actually using that money to pay salaries. Am I correct?
No. If you have a mission here, no.
Then why did you bring?
I'm bringing it on board.
Yes.
Saying that resources from FIF is equal to all society. But it's already fenced for using
For what purpose?
for health facilities.
Is it for physical health improvement of the facilities, or is it for paying of salaries and wages?
It's not for paying salaries and wages.
Thank you. So this has no business with it being brought into this argument. Correct?
Yeah, point of clarification.
Yes. Yes, Governor.
On table, the one Senator Oroba is talking about, and
please
Senator
just get us the document. When you say table,
Page 9.
is this your document or which one?
Page 9.
Your response?
Yeah, on page 9.
Of your response?
Yes. These figures stated here are actual figures. The salaries are actual. The revenues are composed of source revenue, allocation from national government, and the condition of grants.
Page 9 in the response.
Chairman, I get you. I get what you're saying. So therefore, you are wrong, and the governor is now saying he's right. He's saying all the payments that are made for the workers of Nyamira has a box of on-source revenue, facility improvement fund, donor fund facilities, and government shareable revenue as a total. Do you disagree with him?
I agree with my boss chair that that is what comprises of total revenue.
So if you were on oath, you would have actually have lied to the committee.
Chair.
Just wait, Madam Chair, right?
Chair, why I brought the explanation, when COB is computing all source revenue, it separates FIF being expenses as resources for our facilities, and these other sources we get from other sources.
That one I agree with you. I asked you a question, is this money being used to pay salaries? You say no. I go to the second question. To you. Yeah, to you. Between the Auditor General and yourselves, who do you think this committee can believe? If you are on my side, who do you think I should believe?
Just to add on that, Chair, you know you are contradicting yourself. On the one hand, you are saying that FIF is not considered as a source revenue. Okay? On the other hand, you are saying no, if you compute FIF together with source revenue, our figures come to 7%. So which is which, as my brother Senator Onyonka has asked?
Chair, allow me to interject, Chair.
Can you answer the question?
Chair, allow me, because I'm equally also in the same point. Yeah? Chair, I think what is happening, and you know, I have actually put my time to read this response that was tabled by the county government of Nyamira. And Governor, I have to say that maybe the person who is presenting the facts that you have responded to does not understand what asked. My question, yes, my question, Chair, after the explanation that they have given in this report would be, because what they are not clear on is the percentages. When they talk about automated and payroll audits and all this, they are not putting the percentages there for us to be able to tabulate and say, this is how they have come to the 47%. Chair, that is the gap I see.
Chair, I was interrogating a matter, and I respect my sister for raising the issue she's raised.
Senator Gloria.
Senator Gloria, thank you. Senator Gloria is answering. The question I'm asking is simple, and please answer me. The Auditor General said you are spending revenue on your workforce and it is at 50-something percent. You've come and said that is not the figure, and I'm asking you to tell me, who do you think I should believe?
Chair, maybe
This is your team.
That's why I came in
Yeah.
as chairman
Yeah.
and said these are actual figures.
Okay.
The wage bill
Governor,
you have stated here for this month, for this year, is actual figure. The revenues you have said here, 7.2, is actual figure.
can you break it for us? While you are there, the 7.2, can you break it for us? What is national share of revenue and what is also?
You give us time, we.
No, no. Governor,
I can't break all my ideas.
you don't understand, you know.
I understand, that's why I'm explaining is.
What the control of budget is telling you, and if you have read the report, okay, is that you should draw a distinction between what we call national shareable revenue, own source, and conditional grants for projects. What you are giving us here, as what you are calling revenue, at 7.2%, does not agree with that position of the controller. That's why Onyonka is asking you, Senator Onyonka is asking you, we have a person of figures who is telling us, scientifically, this is my position. You are telling us your position is different. And I'm telling you, to convince us, can you give us a breakdown on this 7.2? Because you're saying that's your revenue, you have the government, you have the children.
That one can be broken down if you give us some short time.
Yes,
Because
can give you 3 minutes.
give us about 10 minutes so that we can
You are,
break
I
down.
thought it's your CC
We
credit.
have the CC for finance here.
You understand
So that one you
that?
can do it in 3 minutes.
Chair, I request for us to provide that information directly to give us food for this.
No, you know what is happening, now, Chair, allow me to say this.
Yeah, the reason as well I'm saying this, my chief officer of the accounting officer of finance, as we speak, is in the COE, is not in the county. My head of accounting services is not in the county. So those are the people I allow.
But Chair, allow me to say this. This information is here. Just need your team there, because the information is in your report.
Chair,
This is not something that is 3 days.
Chair,
Who prepared the report here, may I ask?
Governor, you want to say
Who
something?
prepared
Make
this
it
report?
loud.
Governor, who prepared the report saying you have revenue of 7.2? Because when you do something and you present to us, I presume from what you said, that before you table it, you understand. When we ask a question, we anticipate that you have the answers that you're going to do. Because it's not ours. It's you was brought it to us, and you are saying you are differing with the control of budget, and you want to give us a breakdown.
That's why I'm saying, Chair, these are actual figures, and if you calculate it, it comes 47.
So that's what I'm saying. Where is the breakdown?
We can do it in a short time.
Chair, hold on it.
what I can comment, Chair, what I can comment, because see for finance, he is here and he is saying he doesn't have the amount to calculate for now. It is good to give him time, because if we are going to make a lot of arguments here, we are not going to do anything. He is saying, and we are going to bring the report. Sometimes he can handle and he doesn't.
Chair,
Let us do
if I may intervene.
Yes, then.
Maybe against the delegation of Nyamira is not adequately prepared to handle this issue. So, the best thing we can do maybe is to give them a chance to prepare themselves. But come here with the documents that are members registered. I also have some questions with regards to unremitted settlements in deductions.
Through the chair,
So I am, with respect,
Governor, let the senator finish, then you can come in.
with respect to government, I tell you, like, I wanted to know something with the unlimited statutory deductions. You have so much, almost 477 million. And therefore, if we tell you to go back, we are telling you that go and prepare yourself. But my brother, come here when you are fully prepared. Because right now you are patching up. This one is patching here, the other one is patching here. We are not having consistency. We are serving your face.
through chair, I address this issue because among the 7.2, we don't need 3 days actually. 7.2 estimated allocation from national government is 5.5. The revenue is 3.369.
5.33, that's what we give you,
Yes,
not 5.
I'm giving you an estimate.
Okay.
On source revenue is 369. The balance is conditional grants.
You see, that's why you're getting it wrong, Governor. The control budget is telling you in our reports that you cannot take conditional grants into account. If you get money for contractors to come and do a road for you, we are not going to recruit staff to do that job. They are coming in as business people, they do a road for you, they go. So if we give you 205 million to do a road in Keroka, you cannot come here with a table and you tell us you put that money here. Now your revenue is 7.2. What you should actually trust you what your CEC. Is it CEC finance? Yeah? What he's telling you that what you're giving us is erroneous. That's why he's telling you he wants time to correct what you have given us. But this is wrong. This, if you read the control budget report, he has analyzed your revenue professionally, without any bias, and told you this is what the revenue for Nyamira is. So what you should be giving us should take into account that revenue, and that will remove this figure. So if you go back, you cannot come with this 47%. You come with figures that are agreed with the control budget that wage bill is at 55%. This is not, I have nothing against you people. We all have the interest of discount here.
Chairman, the
Just a
committee,
minute. Just a minute. You know, we deal with counties here. It's not the only one. We have nothing against it here. We deal with counties every day on these issues. And we want to help you, help our people in Nyamira. That's why we are raising these issues, so that we do things properly. You follow this idea of saying you have broken the law in recruitment. It's not good for us, it's not good for you.
Yes, Governor, you can come, you can now come in.
we get confused because the last meeting we had with the park, it was official that we have to include conditional grants because it's a staff of the county who implements them. So it needs to be clarified to us.
Through Chair, you know, as I told you, the control budget, that's the office we trust. Because we assume she is professional, she has nothing against you or against any governor. So what she gives us is professional. She has auditors, accountants, economists. That's why we trust what she tells us. If it was from me, the committee would doubt. But this is from a constitutional office owner, governor. Who is giving us a professional opinion to help us as senators as we oversight the county of Nyamira. So you can't tell me and say, I disagree with control budget, because if you have any issues, you can discuss with her before she makes her report. So you have what you have given us is erroneous, is misleading.
Chair?
Yes, just a minute, just let you respond, the CC.
Thank you, Chair. I first want to